going to work on morphing. So you need to go to Google and get 3 different pieces to morph. I'm going to get eyes, a mouth, and a piece of fruit or something that I'm going to morph it with. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to quick Google those things and we'll see. So I've got mouth here. And under Google, I did a search and you've got mouth. I'm going to go to images and I'm going to select one of these and I'm going to select one that's got a nice big mouth here. Right click and do a copy image. Then I'm going to go to my Photoshop. I'm going to go File, New, Image from Clipboard. So I've got one of those. I'm going to do that with each of my 3 things and I'll have 3 different pictures here. So we're back and we have 3 different layers. We've got a mouth, we've got eyes, and we've got an object. Now if this object were tilted in any way, we'd want to use this straighten tool over here. It's under the modify, and you can just straighten it by drawing a line through and it will rotate. So you want to rotate to whatever axis you want so that you can have it the way you want. There's also an image. I'm going to go through the next steps and just watch and follow along with your own picture. So you've got one object, eyes, and a mouth. And what I want to do then is go and select this. I'll show you how to do that. Select this, and then you're going to add it to this. So here we go. I hit the escape key to make my selection go away on each of these, and then I'll show you how in fact I select them. I'm holding my mouse key down. Now you can go down here and you can go to add. If it's on anything else, like subtract or new, just go to add, and then you can just hold your mouse down again. Start from an area where you have that. And if I go like that, I can go like that, and then I can subtract to improve it so that I follow that line. You don't have to get it perfect, you just have to get it close. I'm going to use the Control++. Go to, I want to get rid of that, so I want to subtract it right here. Going back and forth with my selection tools here. Now I'm going to go back to lasso, and I'm going to add. So we're going to be working with selection today. And you can select that and scroll with your scroll bars. And you've selected that. Once you've zoomed in, you can see that's so much better. You don't have to be precise on this, we'll blur the edge. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. So keep selecting here. I've got it to where it's pretty good. That's good enough for this. Like I said, we're going to blur it. Control minus minus zooms out. And I'm going to Control plus plus. Go in here. Select a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to do a copy. You can go to Edit Copy here, or you can use the Control+C shortcuts. Back here, and on your ball, when you do an Edit Paste, change to your Move tool, and you'll be able to resize. Move it where you wish. Rotate it if you wish, and then click Confirm. Go over here to this tool. This is a blur tool. I'm going to plus Control++. I'm going to blur the edge. You can see it's blurring. As you blur it, it'll make it less offensive there. It won't just stick it. Blur as much as you need to make it look natural, somewhat. And then I'm going to Control minus minus zoom out, and go to the eyes. Now with the eyes, I'm actually going to choose the lasso tool again. I'm choosing the inside of the eyes here, just holding my mouse down. It's up to you how much you want to include. And then I'm going to do Control-C. Remember that was edit copy, Control-C, go back over. To this, and I'm going to paste Control-V, which is edit, paste. Then I need to push the move tool because this is way too large. Different resolutions here. Shrink those way down. I can't see it yet. Resize. I'm going to the corner and I'm holding my mouse down on the corner. Swing it if you wish. And I can click OK. Now if I want these to be separated from one another, I can click on the rectangular marquee tool, go around that, and go to the move tool, and it allows me to move that independently, so I can move it in and have an eye that I like. I'm going to switch that to however I want. And once again, I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to hit the escape key here to go away from that selection. Go to the blur tool and blur. So it looks like a more natural edge, just on the edge. I'm just holding my mouse down and blurring that in. Control minus to zoom out. And you can, as a final thing, you can get rid of the edge around your object, your main object. To do that, you need to go to your selection area, and whatever's here, you want it to be the magic wand. So if the magic wand's there, that's fine. If not, go and select it down below. Select on what you don't want. So here I don't want this. I'm going to hit the delete key. And also that little bit if I can. If I can't, I'm going to have to delete it another way. Control ++ to zoom in. And you can use just the eraser to delete. I'm going to Control -. The next thing you would want to do is add hair or ears or something you're working on your basic tools there. Or you could take your little ball and you could put it with a background. So now all of this could be made to look like a background. I'll show you that. Okay, so to add this guy to a background, you're going to have to put your 3 layers together. So now that I've got him like you like him, I'm going to merge my layers. You can go to layer and merge down or merge visible. All of them would do that. That one does 1 layer at a time. Merge visible would have done all the layers. I can do that with Control-Z. I'll show you. If I click on this one and go to merge visible, okay. The other way that this could happen, Control-Z again, is flatten image. So you can see what each of these merges do. Now I want to take this and use the magic wand to get rid of the background. So I click on the background and then I just hit the delete key. And now I want to do a Control-A to select, Control-C, and I take it to here where I went to the internet and got one of those pictures, and I move that around. You can see that I'm having a little bit of problems with my selection tool. So you're going to want to take that magic wand and select again until it works for you. Now you've got this little guy. If you want your little ball to move around, use your rectangular marquee tool, then your move tool. So I can make him big. So maybe I make him big like this. And voila. I now have a turtle that just needs hair. So that's the end of that little video on how to merge objects, eyes, mouth. I could also have done it where I didn't include a ball. I did them right onto the turtle, or I can still move this so that maybe the turtle has that. You can imagine if I put a little hair on this, how much fun we would have making it look like the turtle's carrying it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.